Many residents of the planet will remember the middle of November 2022 for its large-scale floods. Saudi Arabia, from November 12th to 14th, 2022. The country experienced unprecedented weather events. There, even winter came locally, with snow and hail suddenly falling in some regions, and the streets transforming into rivers in others. Over Mount Uhud in Medina, eyewitnesses observed a rather rare meteorological phenomenon, the so-called rainfall. In neighboring Jordan, on November 14th, a heavy downpour hit the capital Amman after a long drought. Basements and lower floors of buildings were flooded. The streets of the city quickly became like rivers. At the same time in Europe, heavy rains and hail affected several departments in the south of France. The record rainfall was recorded in the city of Prad, where almost a third of a month's amount fell in just 6 minutes. We invite eyewitnesses of climate disasters, as well as anyone who has specific knowledge of such events, to be interviewed. Please contact us, share your story. For the whole world to know the truth, participation of every person is important.